Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So, we're diving into the world of high-end espresso today. We're checking out the Breville fully automatic espresso machine, the Oracle Touch, right?
Exactly. And going head-to-head with the Jura Automatic Coffee Machine WE8. I'm really curious to see which one comes out on top.
Let's dive in. Okay, first impressions. The Breville Oracle Touch, it's got that sleek, modern look with the touchscreen. You can literally swipe and select your drink, which feels very futuristic.
The Jura WE8 is more classic, with a color display and one-touch buttons. It looks super user-friendly, especially for an office environment where you want quick and easy coffee. Plus, it can brew up to 30 cups a day.
What I love about the Breville is the personalization. You can tweak the coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature, and then save your perfect drink. It remembers up to 8 custom coffees.
That's cool. The Jura focuses on being eco-friendly, which is a big plus for me. It grinds fresh beans instead of using those wasteful capsules. Fresh taste, less waste.
Right, and the Breville has a professional dual boiler. That means unparalleled temperature control, and you can extract espresso and steam milk simultaneously. Huge time saver.
The Jura counters with its Aroma G3 conical burr grinder. They say it grinds the beans to the optimal fineness, quickly and precisely. Both have bean hoppers and water tanks, so that's a given. But let's talk capacity.
The Breville has a 67-ounce water tank and a half-pound bean hopper. Decent for home use.
The Jura boasts a larger 101-ounce water tank and a 17.6-ounce bean container. Definitely geared towards a small office or a higher volume user.
Okay, milk frothing is key for me. The Breville has automatic microfoam milk texturing and it's self-cleaning. Barista quality microfoam is essential for latte art, you know?
The Jura can make 12 different barista quality specialties, including espresso, cappuccino, and latte macchiato, all at the touch of a button thanks to Jura's exclusive pulse extraction process.
The Breville also has an integrated grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of freshly ground coffee. That's a good amount for maximum flavor.
Sounds good. And the Jura is designed for small offices, so it's built to handle more use. Plus, it's always freshly ground, not capsuled.
Seems like they both aim for that cafe quality experience at home or in the office. So who is each machine really for? The Breville uses 1,800 watts, which is a lot. But it does come with a mini grinds bin, portafilter, milk jug, cleaning kit, water filter, and more.
The Jura is made in Portugal, which is interesting. It also has a hot water nozzle, so you can make tea or Americanos easily.
Oh, the Breville is sold as an Amazon Renewed product, so it's pre-owned and refurbished. Something to keep in mind.
Jura includes the essentials too, like a milk pipe, drip tray, and cleaning containers. It's ready to go out of the box. It really boils down to personal preference and how much automation you want, right? The Breville for the home barista who loves to tweak, and the Jura for the office or someone who wants consistent quality with minimal fuss.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.